Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram friends story not showing. So maybe that person blocked you, that's why you can't see that person's story. Another thing, if I go for any kind of story from here and okay, go for my story. Okay, it's posting now. And if I go for here, three dot option and story settings, so you can see there is two options here: hide story from and close friends. If that person hide that person's story from you, then you can't see a story of the person's, or if you are not the person's close friend, then you can also not able to see a story of the person. So maybe this is the true reason you can't see friend's story in Instagram. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment, and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.